हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते सभी को। आज मैं अनियन रिंग्स बनाऊंगी। सो आई हैव टेकन 3 onions and I have taken out the sides for all these 3 onions. It is medium size onion you can take, and I have taken the size, and now I'll cut it into the rings. So I have taken out the rings from onion, and I have removed these types of inner side of the onion because it will not be good for onion rings. So I have taken this, and now we are going to make a batter to dip this onion rings into that. Now to make a batter, I have taken one bowl. In this bowl I'll take around 3 tablespoons of rice flour. You can take corn flour also, and 3 tablespoons of maida, whole wheat flour. All-purpose flour. And then we are going to add around 2 tablespoons of roasted groundnut powder. So I have taken peanuts. I have roasted it and I have powdered it. So that I am going to add here. Then I'll use 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half tablespoon garlic paste, and then salt. And I'm going to add water to it and mix it well. We need to make a thick paste by mixing it, and we'll slowly pour the water and we'll make a. Now see, it's almost mixed, and you see this is a thick paste where we can easily dip our rings. Now I've taken 1.5 bread and I have crushed it to make breadcrumbs. So this is how we will put 1.5 bread in mixer grinder and crush it and make breadcrumbs. Now we'll pick one by one onion rings and dip this into this batter, and then we are going to put it in our breadcrumbs like this. Similarly, one more we will pick. We'll dip it into the batter and we'll put it into the breadcrumbs. Now these are ready to be fried, so we'll take oil in a pan, and then we are going to put one by one these rings like this, and we are going to put them on. We will check if they have turned in red brown in color. We are going to take them out one by one. Now our onion rings are ready. We can garnish it with a few curry leaves and few onion rings as well. And then we can serve it with the ketchup, or we can serve it with the tomato or dhania chutney. And do enjoy. Please try this recipe and do enjoy. And don't forget to share this. Thank you.